morning, guys. Hope y'all are doing well. Today is February 7th, and today it says He heals the brokenhearted. Psalms chapter 34, verse 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalms chapter 147, verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalms chapter 73, verse 26. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. Psalms chapter 38, verse 8, 21, and 22. I am feeble and crushed. I groan because of tumult of my heart. Do not forsake me, O Lord, my God. Be not far from me. Make haste to help me, O Lord, my salvation. Isaiah chapter 41, verse 10. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will help you. I will uphold you with my right hand. Psalms chapter 56, verse 8. You have kept count of my tossings. Put my tears in your bottle. Are they not in your book? Psalms chapter 119, verse 116. Lord, sustain me as you promised. Do not let my hope be crushed. Proverbs chapter 15, verse 13. A glad heart makes a cheerful face, but by sorrow of heart the spirit is crushed. And at the bottom it says, Humpty Dumpty had a great ball. All the king's soldiers and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Maybe you fell and got hurt, and no matter how many counselors, therapists, and psychologists tried, the hurt remained. Do you realize that the King can do what humans can't? He can create and make things brand new. He wants to pick you up and heal you today. Give your pain to Him. That's a really good one for today. That really what I needed to hear today. Yeah, it's what I needed to hear. God knows He's healed my broken heart. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server for more Bible studies, not just from me, but from Christine and Jess also. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.